So we have a bit of a plan, don't we, Wayne?
We do this time, yeah, for a change. So we instead of winging it, especially down the south, we're actually going we've sent an email, so see if we can get on a site at Port Grammode.
Not just yet, though.
No, not just yet. But next door to Saint-Tropez. So if we can get on there, it's a site it's got beach side, and then it's got across the road, it's got a vineyard side. So we've tried to get on the vineyard side, so we're just waiting for a reply to see what comes back.
That'll be for my birthday, so that'll be middle of next week, which will be lovely. So in between then, so today we're going to Valence, so in the right direction. Again, it's about an hour from here, so it's not too far. An hour by non-tolls, that is. It's probably quicker by toll. Weather's going to be good for the next 3 days. It's nice today, it's getting better even tomorrow and the day after. So it's Thursday today. Friday and Saturday look lovely, and then Sunday it looks like rain, so we're moving on. We haven't got anything booked for 2 nights, and then hopefully, as Wayne said, we can get on this Port Grammode site. Which
is really nice. So were you booked down there then? You booked a week?
A week, yeah. So we'll let you know as the plan unfolds. When we have an email from the campsite in Port Grammode, it looks like they've got plenty of spaces, but I sent them I did the booking online, and it said 60 years plus discounted rate. So I shouldn't tell you this,
yes,
but Wayne's
so the old man
60.
here is getting a reduction in the price, hopefully.
That's the lads are on an amber light, aren't we? Yeah, so hopefully we can get on the site at a discounted rate, but then they'd have to put my date of birth in, and I'm not 60, so they review it. So what they do is they take a deposit and then they review it, and if you're allowed on the site, then they so they might come back and say, actually, you don't get the discounted rate because I'm not 60. So we'll see.
I'm married to a young bird.
No, I'm not that young. So we will see. So we've arrived at French Voie Verte campsite. Wow, it's lovely. Pools, look. That could be a nice spot for later, that, look, under a straw umbrella. Sun shining.
We've got a reserve sign in the van, haven't we?
Oh, yeah, we have. That's a good idea.
Someone will probably nick his sign.
Look at the size of the pictures. Some have got grass.
Not bad at all.
That's massive, that one is.
We should have had that. Could have gone in lengthways on there.
Yeah, you could have done, couldn't you? Didn't see that one, did you?
Well,
yeah, these are all the one-nighters over here, she said. So, some car charging there. If anyone should have an electric car.
Come on.
Look at this, look. Beautiful. Really nice. It's like a 5-star resort, isn't it?
That's posh, isn't it, that? Nice.
And you won't believe how much it was. €72 for 3 nights, including electricity and including Roger, with the ACSI card, because we're out of season, so it's low season time.
4 stars.
4 stars, is it? Oh yeah. Le Soleil Fruité. There's a sign. Saw it here first.
Tell you what, we ain't got to go far tonight for the bar, have we?
Bar looked lovely. Hey? Definitely having a beer tonight. Definitely. There, look, here's the bar. Assume it's dog friendly.
I hope so.
Doesn't say on that sign no dogs, does it?
No.
No scooters.
Roger. How nice is this?
Beautiful. It's quite a nice atmosphere at night.
I bet it
That
is.
pool. So there's two. There's an indoor one, which is all heated,
Yeah,
and the
that's
outdoor
over
one's
there,
not.
look.
So
We've even got water slides.
you're going to go down it, Wayne?
Absolutely. Yeah.
A bit awkward when you've got a dog to go in the pool.
Head first.
We chose to have a dog though, so we don't mind. It doesn't look like there's any camping in tents here. But caravans, motorhomes, camper vans, dogs. Wayne's checking out the man stuff.
You know what? For a minute, I thought it got a tyre pressure gauge. That would be unique, because not seen anything like that on a site.
This isn't a
it's
car
water.
wash, is it? No, never mind.
No, I wish.
That would have been good, wouldn't it?
Yeah. Yeah. Very good.
Wayne can do all his blue jobs up here.
Yeah, them blue jobs are mounting up.
Oh. Look at that, look at the view. Happy with that till Sunday?
It's perfect,
Really
isn't
nice.
it? It really is. Really
I think
nice.
it's probably one of the best if not the best campsite we've been on in France.
Yeah.
So
I mean,
far.
even down in Nancy, there's some nice sites, but they've done it really, really, really posh inside. Really nice decor.
Very nice. There's chickens here. I can assume there's some nice free-range eggs on sale in the
I bet
shop.
there is. Well, it was at the last place, wasn't they?
Le Mini Ferme. Oh, look at the little pygmy goats. Roger, look. Not even as big as you.
They're nice.
They're cute. Oh, he's wagged his tail then, look. There's one here, look.
Yeah. How's that, Rog? Hey? Hey, little matey. Go steady, go steady.
Roger.
Hey, he's not a dog. Hello. Not bothered, are you?
The time Roger wags his tail was when he sees another animal.
There's loads of them, Rog. Yeah.
Oh, good boy. So we're the other side of the fence now, and we think the goats are actually coming to see Roger. Oh, maybe not, they've stopped. Ah.
Roger would be gutted if he stopped.
This is our little pitch. Big pitch, should I say. So it's recovered from the mud quite nicely. It was a bit muddy when we got here, but it's dried out. A treat. So Wayne's put the awning up. Got our lights to put up as well. Rodder's just having a rest in his bed because we've been for a walk and it's quite hot. Yeah. Nice drink of orange juice. Needed. Morning. Well, today's the day that we are going to put Roger in his bike. So let's see how it goes. Follow us for a little while. This could be fun.
Have I recovered? I see that.
could do with being something stronger. So we've come down quiet bike lanes as it happens, and he was bark first off once he was not happy.
Well, I wouldn't say bark, but more of a whine.
Squeal.
A squeal, yeah.
A squeal. Like a squealing pig, really. But he's 15 minutes in, and he started calming down, and he's not done bad towards the end.
Well, obviously, you might have seen a bit of the footage, but if you haven't, I apologise, because it's the first time using this camera holder that we've got, and it didn't feel very stable.
It's supposed to fit on the strap of your bag, and well, it floats all over the place, don't it?
Yeah.
So
it's a DJI one.
It's a DJI one, but I don't know, and you can't tension it up no more. It's like you've got to have it padded out with a coat
bit,
to
isn't
make
it?
it
Or
really
a very
tight.
wide strap or something. So we'll have to come up
We'll
with
have
a
a play
different.
with it. We'll have a play with it.
But you might have got. Hopefully, we'll have seen something of the bike ride. If not,
you've probably got the floor.
We've cycled to a place called Châteauneuf. Not Châteauneuf de Pape. Châteauneuf de
That's a bit far away,
I think it's
isn't it?
called. Yeah. So we might go and have a little wander around the village. Although we've tied the bikes up over there. We'll see. We've got a bit of stuff to carry because we've only got one rucksack. We need to get another one on order.
I forgot to say, we actually groomed Roger. Did we say yesterday?
No, we didn't.
We got up. We had a sleepless night, didn't we? Got up and we got the shears on him because it was like a sheep. So
we had a sleepless night because we were dreading grooming Roger. Yeah.
He can't sit still for 2 seconds, so we thought it's going to be a job and a half. What are you doing? Hey.
And actually, it doesn't look too bad. Wayne had to feed him biscuits
constantly,
the whole time.
Constantly feed him treats just to keep him still, and it was really good actually. It worked, didn't it?
It worked, yeah. So hopefully the idea is that in time he will just let us do it, and he won't need all the treats.
I mean, at the groomers, he's pretty good, isn't he?
Yeah,
but obviously
they
his
tie
back
him up
end
and
tied
things, don't
and
they?
front end's tied. So, but he says he was really good.
And they're always different with different people, aren't they? I think you find that they misbehave in front of you because
like
they're
naughty kids, isn't it?
Yeah. Here he is, look.
Here he is.
Talk of the devil.
You monster.
He's half the size he was now, aren't you, Rog? You're half the size you was.
Not up there. Not up there.
Say hello. For some reason, Roger seems to be desperate to get in. I don't know if that's right.
You love it, don't you, boy? You love it. Hang on, I ain't got it unzipped yet.
He's still got his lead on as well.
There you go, then, good boy.
I think he's looking for treats.
He's jumping in, look.
A bit of help from his dad.
Seatbelt. Front click. Every trip. Yeah, he's gone in there for food.
Well, that's all right.
Have we got some biscuits for him?
They're in that snuffle thing. Actually,
that's where he's going at. So
there are some biscuits in the.
If we get on his way, he can be feeding, he can be troughing while we're biking.
That was my theory.
I'll put that in there. We had a lovely pint up at the bar, which is really nice with the great views of the mountains, or Gail calls them hills. But yeah, really nice up there, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, there are hills and mountains.
On one side, the other side.
Yeah.
So we have gone for.
So the Thai chicken curry is now turned into Spanish
Mediterranean dish.
Mediterranean tomato, chicken and potatoes, and actually looks really nice. We're going to give it a go, aren't we?
You've done well there, again. You've made something out of nothing, haven't you?
Well.
Even though I was really looking forward to a Thai green curry, but this is really nice.
You will say cheers.
So cheers.
Happy Friday, happy weekend.